Hello there, we're going to be doing 7.4a PPA 107 today. This is going to be a box worksheet, so I'm just going to go ahead and make a box here for this first problem. A day on Saturn is 42.6%, so it's going to be 42.6%. Remember, the percent up here, we'll have 100% down here, and our other fraction will be on the other side. So this is 42.6. Of a day on Saturn is 42.6% of a day on Earth, so this will be out of 100%. How many hours are there in a day on Saturn? Well, if it's 42% of Earth, well, Earth would be 24 hours, so that's kind of a weird one you have to come up with by yourself. You have to figure out that part right there. So I'm just going to take 24 times 42.6 and divide it by 100. See if we can do that real quick. 24 times 42.6. We'll divide that dude by 100. Got 10.224 hours, so right here is my correct answer. And then I just go down for number 1, down at the bottom here. I'm going to put the letter N in. Okay, so let's try another one here, then I'll cut you loose. In the presidential election of 1890, 39.9%, so we'll put that up here where the percent goes. And that's out of 100%. 39.9% of the voters voted for Abraham Lincoln, and 29.9% of the voters voted for Stephen Douglas. What percent voted for the other candidates? Ooh, this is an interesting problem. Well, if this is Lincoln, I'm just going to write this. This is Lincoln, and this one here is Douglas. We could just subtract from 100 to find the answer to that. So here's 100. We'll subtract 39.9. We'll subtract 29.9. Is that correct? Just double checking. 29.4. That's my 4. 29 minus 29.4. We got 30.7, which is right here. So for number 2, we're going to go down and we're going to put in a U. Okay, so looks like these problems could be either box problems or other percentage problems. Let's do one more. Bowser's dog food is 40% meat. How much meat would you get in 1.5 kilogram, or how much dog food must Bauer eat in order to get 1.5 kilograms of meat? Okay, make a box here. So Bowser's dog food is 40% meat. So here's your 40% meat out of 100%. And now, if you want to actually get this up to 1.5 kilograms, that's going to be the part here. We're just going to use 1.5 instead of 1.5. I'll just write that there so you know that's where I got that. And we can substitute in here. So what we're going to end with, we're looking for 40% out of 100% is going to be like 1.5 out of something. This is the part that we want. So 1.5 times 100 divided by 40% equals 3.75. So we're going to look for 3.75 kilograms. And then we just go down to number 3 and put it in. All right, good luck. Have fun.